has won my last trip. Daniel is a contract in my graduation trip of 2018. We visited many places in Colombia. The most tourist, my favorite places were Medellin and Tulum. In Medellin, we visited very important places. To get to Medellin, we went by bus from Villavicencio, Meta. When we arrived, we toured the city and before that we have already arrived at the hotel where we stayed for 2 days. The first day we visited the metro and the metrocable. From there we could see a large part of the city. It was a new experience because in our city there are no these means of transport. On the second day we mobilized in a bus called Chiva. We visited the store and we moved to the Pueblito Paisa, another tourist place in Medellin, where we learned about its customs. The third day in Medellin, we went by bus to El Parque de Agua, a park with many swimming pools and water facilities. We enjoyed the sun all day. At night, we traveled by bus to Tulum, where we stayed in an hotel for 2 days. In Tulum, we visited the most tourist place in Island. The first day, we rested on the long evening. Second day, we visited the San Bernardino Islands. We went by boat. In the islands, we played volleyball. We swam in the sea and listened to music. We returned by boat and those days our visit